Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys some Halloween projects I put together. I have a little series that I'm doing for the month of September, and I'm just playing around with some of my Halloween dies and putting together some cute little Halloween embellishments. So when I get ready for a larger scale project, I will already have some things already put together. If you would like to share what you're working on for Halloween, just use the hashtag Halloween die cut fun. I will leave it in the screen. Just use that hashtag so that I can see what you're doing in your craft room as well. I pulled out this die set by Elizabeth Craft Designs. This is called Garbage Can. And I thought this would be really fun to use for Halloween crafting. Next up, I pulled out some of these cute little witches' legs. I picked these up, I believe, last year from Amazon. I also pulled out this fun die set by Scrap Diva Designs. This is called the Slider Dies. I've really been having a lot of fun with this die set. And lastly, I pulled out this die by Gina Marie Designs. Okay, I wanted to create a cute, fun card with those dies that I shared. And you can see what I came up with. I thought this was so cute to have the witch's legs popped up out of the garbage can. And then I wanted to put the fun slider element to it to make it really fun and interactive. So you pull right here up on the tag up here at the top, and you pull and the witch's legs pop up out of the garbage can. Isn't that the cutest little thing ever? I love this ideal. And then you push it down like that, and then push it up like that. Isn't that cute, you guys? I thought that was so fun and cute. And for the papers, I used some more drawer liners. I have really been enjoying those drawer liners that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I picked up another one that had like the cute little cheetah print with the different colors. And so here's another one right here. And I love the pastel colors to that. I used some matte board on the first layer to give it some height. And I used some Nuvo drops. You can see them there. This little cute cat, that's actually an AliExpress die set. Last year for the Pasteloween Hop, I put together a lot of die cuts, and it's so helpful to have that already put together because I just popped it right here on this card, as well as this die right here. I'm not sure where that is from. This eek was already cut out. I think that's KS Craft. And then I just had to do my trash can in this pretty hot pink. I've been loving the pastels mixed with neon. I think that's really, really cute. And then I just added some cute little bows right here, you know, on the end of the stocking of the witch's legs, and put a gemstone in there. But I love how this turned out. So fun and cute. I also used my distresser. I felt like since this is Halloween that I can use some distressing here on the edge of the card. And I used this distresser right here. I love using this. And in the inside, I don't have anything in here yet. And here's the back. So that's fun. So I did that card, and then I wanted to have some extra embellishments on hand. Here are the extra embellishments here. Here is one. I used some cat stickers. This cute little glittered up spider came from a die set. I used this yikes. That's an actual little sentiment that came from a sticker set, the Jolie sticker set. And I just wanted to have some extras available, you know, to go on projects. And what I like about this die set, you can see it a little bit. It does have lines in the garbage can. So I really, really like that. So that's one. I made them both the same, you know, to have some extras on hand. Next up, I pulled out some of these mini witch hats that I picked up last year, I believe, from TJ Maxx. And I just, you know, was in my garage and I was pulling things out, and I ran across these and I was like, oh, let me see what I can do with these. So I altered two of these, and let me share with you how they turned out. Here is the first one altered up. Isn't this so fun and so cute, the little witch's hat? So I used some of those candies that I put together. I also used one of the ones Markeisha made for me for a swap. I included the little suckers or candies there. This candy die cut is by KS Craft. And then I've made these bows in my series. I have a playlist for my series, so check below in the description box and I will have a link to my playlist. So if you miss some of those videos, you can check it out. I thought it was cute to put that little M&M cabochon right there. I have these sponge straws with pom-poms on the end. And I also wanted like some kind of dangle. So I created these cute little charm dangles here on the bow. You can see it there. And then I felt like it needed something fun and festive, so I had some of this tinsel trim in my stash that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I just put that at the top. I used the pom-pom here, and then I just outlined the hat in this crepe paper trim that I have in my stash. So let me share with you the second one I put together. Here is the second one that I put together. I love this one. So it's pretty much, it's somewhat the same, but it has an extra rosette here. I love the colors for this one. These candies were made for me by Markeisha. So Markeisha, I'm already using your embellishments you made for our swap. This candy, again, that's from KS Craft. And then on this one, like I said, I have the black and white straw going across with the purple pom-poms, the cute little bubo, and then I made a little dangle on this one as well. For the crepe paper trim, I put this little picket edge on the end to give it, you know, a fun little element. And I use these scissors right here, the picket edge. I guess that's what you call them, scissors. I love these. And they're so helpful to use for things like that. But this is how it turned out. Isn't that cute, you guys? I love how these little mini witch hats turned out. And that is my share for you guys today. If you like what you have seen in this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Check me out on Instagram, ScrapPassion01. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.